Chadda, Dr. Pandey, for giving me an opportunity to interact with future leaders of the country. I wish to congratulate all the students who are starting their journey today, their life journey of around 10 to 12 years that is going to shape their life. Wish to congratulate you all for joining a great institute like ITS. If we look at the junction at which these students are there, all these students are there, this is the time when you shape up your life. Rest of your life will depend on next 10 to 12 years. How do you utilize this time? First 5 to 7 years or 8 years of your academics, when you learn, and after that, initial 3 4 years of your career, when you actually shape up your life, and rest of your life will depend on these 10 to 12 years. So, guys, the junction at which you are is very, very important and is going to help you all through your life. Choice is yours. How best do you use this time or other way? As I said, that this time is going to shape up your life. This 10 to 12 years of your period, your life period is going to shape up rest of your life. You probably have some dreams. Each one of us has dreams, and I don't think any one of you would be here without a dream in life. So, would request each one of you, each one of the student, to think of a dream personality that you have in mind. It could be anybody. It could be a business leader, it could be a politician, it could be your uncle, it could be your cousin, it could be your friend's father, it could be anybody whom you feel that is a dream personality for you, and you would like to see yourself as this person. Just think of that person. Just think of that person. And if some of you have written some names, then probably you can mention in the chat box. So, as I said, that no life begins without a dream. So I'm sure you all have some dreams in your life. So anyone would like to share something? You're
The
not on.
students can write their questions or concern in the chat box.
Friends, let's keep this session as interactive as possible. Though online mode, there are certain limitations of an online mode, but still, would request if you can mention your dream personalities. It can be anybody. If there's a national personality, it could be an international personality, anybody. Anyways, let's move further. So maybe a few of you have written some of your uncle's name, your father's name, or somebody in your neighborhood, or somebody otherwise known to you, but many of you might also have written Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, Narendra Modi, Biden, anyone whom you think is your dream personality. Now, what has actually made them great? There must have been a process. There must have been a lot of struggle. There must have been a lot of effort behind this journey, behind the journey of the success, behind the journey of you making them as your dream personality. Today, we talk a lot about Ratan Tata. We talk a lot about Mukesh Ambani. We discuss about their lifestyle. We'll discuss about their business practices. We'll discuss about uh, the journey of life. We talk of our national leaders, politicians. We talk of international leaders. We talk of business personalities, international business tycoons. So, what actually makes them? They also did dream. And dream will remain to be a dream if we actually don't work towards it. So, what takes you to make your dream to be a reality? What takes you to reach your dream? So, your dream doesn't remain to be a dream, it turns into a reality. And maybe few years later, maybe 20 years later, you become a dream personality for many people, many young leaders. So what will take you there. The only thing that is going to take you is how beautifully you set your goals. Goal setting is very, very, very important.